Welcome to my Bum Genius 3.0 repair tutorial. I'm going to take you through the how to replace the elastic as well as the velcro using the Bum Genius repair kit. First I will start with the side elastics. To replace them, you'll need to turn it inside out and find where the elastic is stitched in, and remove this with a seam ripper. Once you've found the elastic, pull it out and use scissors to cut off the old elastic where it's attached to the diaper. Now I take the new elastic and do a zigzag stitch to attach it to the old elastic. This is so that it can be easily pulled through the diaper, so you can replace the old elastic with the new elastic. Here you can see where they're sewn together. Now I will stitch the new elastic to the location where the old elastic was cut from the diaper. Stitch using a straight stitch back and forth several times to ensure that it's extra secure. Now find the location at the other end of the side elastic where it is sewn to the diaper, and you're going to want to use your seam ripper again here to access the old elastic so you can remove it from the diaper. Now pull the old elastic so the new elastic comes through the side casing of the diaper. Now you're going to remove the old elastic by cutting it away from the diaper, and you'll see where you've sewn the new elastic to the old elastic. You'll remove that with your seam ripper. Now you've easily just pulled through the new elastic. in that side casing of the diaper, and you're going to sew it to the location where you just cut and remove the old elastic. Now you'll want to use a straight stitch, going back and forth several times to ensure that the elastic is well secured to the diaper. Now that has been attached, you can turn the diaper inside out. And notice your tighter side of the diaper. Now we're going to do the back elastic. And it's the same process as the side. We're just going to go through it quickly, where you remove the old elastic. You'll sew it to the new elastic with a loose zigzag stitch. Now securely attach that new elastic to where you just removed the old elastic from. Find the next location where your elastic is sewn into the diaper. Again, use your seam ripper to access this elastic. Once you've found the elastic, pull it through the diaper so you can pull the new elastic that you've sewn in through the back side of the diaper. Now you can use your seam ripper to remove that old elastic. And I want to cut that old elastic away from the diaper with your scissors and sew that new piece to the location where you just cut the old elastic away. Now that it is sewn in, we can turn the diaper back to right side out, and we'll need to secure the locations where the seams were ripped to find that elastic. I did not show you this step with the side elastic, but we will do it for all locations where the elastic was removed. I used a plain white thread, but you could use a yellow thread if you wanted to match the original. Now I've done two sides, the left and the top, and the right side of the diaper still needs to be replaced. Now I have replaced that right side of the diaper, so all three sides have new elastic. And they've all been re-secured with a straight stitch at the location where the seams were ripped. I'm going to show you the application of the laundry velcro tabs. I've already removed it and now I'm going to replace it in the same location with the same stitch, which is the X, to secure the tab to the diaper. I'm going to do the tabs to the front of the diaper and place them in the same location where they were removed from. Make sure the sticky side is in. Without pinning, I will just attach the tabs by holding them down with the foot of my sewing machine. Now I will sew a straight stitch. And now it has been sewn and is secured to the diaper. I've done both sides. Now they are attached to the laundry tabs. And there you have it, my complete diaper with new elastic in the legs, new elastic in the back, and we have new Velcro.